coming up to individual tax season, one thing that I need to remind everyone is to make sure that you keep copies of your invoices or the bills that you've got for things that you want to claim. And it's really important that when you've got documents that are that faded kind of paper, I don't know how to explain it, like the ones that you get from petrol stations, they fade over time. So my suggestion to you is either to take a photo and upload them to a Google Drive or something like that, take photocopies of them, or use an app like Dex to track them down so that we can get the information at year end. We need to be sure as tax agents that you've got the receipts, that if the ATO come looking for what you've claimed in your tax return, that you can prove that you have actually spent it. And we'd really like to see them as well. It gives us the comfort of mind that you've got them. But really, it's all about thinking about what you're doing as well in your day-to-day work. Are you using your phone for work? Go through a phone bill and look at the numbers that have been called and work out how much is work-related, how much is private. Are you using the internet at home? Do a logbook for between 4 and 6 weeks to work out how much time you're spending on the internet working, as opposed to how much you're using it to watch Netflix or the kids are using it. Are you working from home? You need to keep a logbook of the hours that you're actually working if we're going to claim the work from home rate. So a little bit of preparation goes a long way so that when we go to do your tax return, you can give us the information we need to make sure that we can maximise your return.